Hi, I'm Annie and I'm pruning my potatoes. So I'm not sure if it's all this really hot weather we're having, but the potatoes are growing like mad, but it all seems to be green. They're way too early. They're trying to flower. These first two rows here are first earlies. I cut those down like I'm doing the others a couple of weeks ago. Some of them are already trying to flower, so I'm just gonna give them another little prune as well. But the main crop here is definitely trying to flower, which is way too early, so going to give them a nice prune like I've done here. It was a tip that I got off of YouTube quite a while ago, but it just made total sense that every plant wants to survive, and with this hot weather, every plant is born to flower and seed and move on, but we want that energy to go into growing a crop of potatoes. So yeah, I'm just going to finish pruning them off, and hopefully it does look like we're going to get some rain, but I'm not sure. It feels very heavy. The hay crop's looking really good, so I do need some rain so it carries on looking good. That's Poppy, that's my mum's dog. Just looking after her for a few days because mum's not very well, but yeah, she'll be back on her feet soon enough. So that's it, all pruned down. I've just laid the leaves on in between them. It'll help mulch it, but also once the potatoes are out, we can dig it all over and the nutrients will go back into the ground again. So that's it for my quick midweek tip. Hope you find it helpful. Bye.